Okay, so Kirsty's just in the bath with Tyler. I know for a fact she needs to dry her hair when she gets out. So what I'm gonna try and do is put this in a hairdryer and the top, so when she turns it on, and it's just gonna cover it. She knows I've got it in for it, so hopefully she won't suspect anything. I just said that I'm gonna make a cover and I asked her if she wanted one and asked if there were any milk, so she's not suspicious of me coming downstairs again. So we'll see if I can manage this. Okay, so I got it in, totally forgot to press record, but it got it all over the top. Okay, I've hid the camera behind the photo frame in the corner. I'm hoping she's going to plug it in there and plug it. We'll see.
One eternity later.
I'm just on Pokemon Go.
Pardon?
I'm just on Pokemon Go. I'll make you
Just
coffee.
try it like that.
Okay?
Yeah.
What do you want, tea or coffee?
Chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna start, she's gonna run off in a minute.
She not like it?
No.
Are you staying with me? Are you going to help me make Mum hot chocolate?
This is even harder than I thought. Have you thought of a film, Ben?
No, have you?
No.
We'll have to have a look in a minute.
What you done? What you done to my hair?
I got you. I filled it with talcum powder whilst you were getting in bath with Tyler.
Yeah. You breathe.
Did we get Mum, Tyler?
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at the whole room.
Hello, folks.
It's all cloudy.
The lion can't That's perfect thing right there. How to help him.
The hidden camera, you didn't even spot it over here, look.
Mummy's hair is drying. You're wet.
Look at the sofa. Look at the amount that's come out. It's literally left a square where the pillow was.
You're wet, you. It's on.
It's on.